Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate or delete your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our profile. Now we're here and we're going to click on the three stripes in our top right corner. As you can see, the fourth and last option we have is setting and privacy. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And next we're gonna select the first option that we have in the account section that says account. So it takes us here. So as you can see, the last option we have here, or the fifth one, is deactivate or delete account. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, you have two options. You can deactivate your account or you can delete it. If you delete your account, you can reactivate it within 30 days if you change your mind. That means you're deleting it permanently if you don't reactivate it within 30 days. If you deactivate your account, you can reactivate it at all times. So first, let's see the option deactivate. So if you're sure you want to deactivate your account, you're just gonna click on the deactivate button. So let's go back and let's go and delete account permanently. If you want to delete your account permanently, you're gonna have to give them a reason. Even if you don't want to give them a reason, you can always click on the skip button that's in the top right corner. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And if you want to download your TikTok data, you can click on request download. If you don't want to, you can just click on this that's above continue. By continuing, you reviewed your data and wish to continue deleting your account. So you're gonna click on continue, and that's how it's done. If you want to delete or deactivate your account, you just have to continue to that. So thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.